welcome back to my channel. Smart Sweets released a type of gummy bear with less sugar and more fiber, essentially a different macronutrient breakdown than regular gummy bears. It got me wondering if we could hack the regular gummy bear recipe and make healthier versions. After some recipe research and testing, I put together this recipe for homemade gummy bears that you can make in a variety of flavors. This recipe only takes 3 ingredients: of juice of beef gelatin. I'm using the Vital Proteins brand, and your choice of sweetener. I decided to use powdered stevia. For this recipe, you'll also need some gummy bear trays. I'll link the ones that I purchased on Amazon down below. In a small pot, I'm going to combine the juice and the stevia. I'm going to then heat this up over the stove and stir it together until the stevia is fully dissolved. Once I've done that, I'll be bringing this combination to a boil and then adding in the gelatin and whisking it together until the gelatin is dissolved. Very quickly, with the orange juice still warm, I'm going to use an eyedropper to place a little bit of the orange juice into my silicone gummy bear tray. So once you've used your eyedropper to fill up your entire gummy bear tray, pop this into the fridge for about 20 minutes.
And once your gummy bears have set, just pop them out of the tray and enjoy! You have your healthy homemade gummy bears.
That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. If you happen to make these gummies, tag me on Instagram @GeniusBaking. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.